Did you know that you could declutter your home in just 1 hour? Well, today I'm sharing 3 common items that clutter your home, but I'm going to tell you how to get rid of them. Welcome back. My name is Veronica Taylor. I help busy professionals simplify their lives. These items may seem small, but they quickly add up and make your home feel chaotic. Let's tackle them together and create a more cleaner and more organized space. Number 1. So, do you have this in your home? Piles and piles of shopping bags, plastic bags, gift bags, luxury bags. Did you know that 52% of Americans have bags of bags? And they keep telling themselves that, oh, I'm going to use this, I'm going to reuse it, I'm going to hold on to it. All while it's just cluttering up the space that you have them in. So, instead of keeping all those bags, why don't you go through those bags and keep in mind, keep reusable bags, 5 to 10 bags, and then recycle the rest. For gift bags, like 3 to 5 bags to reuse in case you need to go to send a gift to someone or pop up at a party. And then your luxury bags, you can keep about 2 to 3. And if you don't use them, either donate them or you can recycle them. Item 2, food seasonings. Did you know that the average household has 40 bottles of spices but only use 10 to 15 regularly? You can declutter your spice rack or spice drawer or cabinet by tossing out all the expired seasonings. You can then organize them to where you put in the front the seasonings that you use the most and put the seasoning that you use the least in the back. To enhance this, you can use either a 3-tier rack so that you can see them, or a lazy Susan so that you could find it easier. Also, if you have seasonings that you constantly use, most frequently, you can put them on the counter next to your salt and pepper. I would keep them out next to your salt and pepper and where you keep your oils for cooking. Make sure that the labels are clear and make sure that you combined all of your seasonings so you won't have 3 and 4 and 5 bottles of the same seasonings. Item 3, junk mail. We have a lot of it. The average American has 848 pieces of junk mail per year. I can't tell you how many times I walk into clients' homes and they just have piles of mail just everywhere on a kitchen counter, and they have no space for anything else. And they say, I'm going to open it, and they never do. So, to declutter this junk mail, the thing you should do is to tackle it first is when you get your mail out of the mailbox, you're going to look at your mail, go through your mail, identify what's junk, and toss it immediately. If you need to put it in a shredder, fine. If you need to rip it up and throw it in the garbage, you can do that. So then that you only have to deal with the important mail that you have. I will also opt in for paperless billing and online statements to reduce your incoming mail. I will use a small tray or folder to organize your mail that needs action. Let's quickly recap. You're going to declutter your shopping bags and keep only what you reuse. You're going to organize your seasonings, toss expired spices, and use a lazy Susan. You're going to tackle your junk mail. You're going to go through them immediately and opt in for paperless options. Which of these items clutter your home the most? Let me know in the comments. And as always, if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Taylrv Living for more practical organizing and lifestyle advice. Bye.